Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Slack for review notifications, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Slack for review notifications, begin by navigating to the Slack API website. Log into your Slack account if you haven't already. In the top right corner, click on your apps. Select Create New App, choose a name for your app and select the workspace where it will be used. Click Create App to proceed. Next, navigate to the OAuth and Permissions section on the left sidebar. Under Scopes, add the permissions your app will need. Common scopes include chat, write for sending messages and channels, read for accessing channel information. Once you've added the necessary scopes, go to the OAuth tokens for your workspace section. Click Install App to Workspace. Review the permissions your app will need and click Allow. After installation, Next, integrate this token into your application or service. In your code, set up an HTTP request to the Slack API endpoint for sending messages. Include the necessary headers, such as authorization with your token and content type as application/JSON. Compose the body specify the channel and message text. Test the integration by sending a test message through your application. Check your designated Slack channel to confirm if the message appears. If successful, your Slack authentication for review notifications is complete. Make sure to handle any errors in your code for better user experience. Now you are ready to receive notifications directly in Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.